Hey, it's John with
Riley's
Uniques. Welcome back to video part 2 of the dresser. I'm taking off the clamp off the drawer, and you can see that it sandwiched it together quite well. And I'll be using plastic wood to fill in the blemishes, and then I'll sand it to make it all smooth again. And all I do is just apply it with my finger and rub it into the cracks, so when I sand it, it'll all be full and smooth, and then it'll paint over nicely, and you'll never know it was chipped off. Here it is after it dried, and now I'll sand it. I use a 120 grit sandpaper on my rotary sander, and it takes it off pretty well. Just go easy with it. As you can see, just like a little bitty chip fell off there, but I don't think it was enough to hurt anything. So when I apply my chalk paint, you won't even see it. It's nice and smooth. And now I'm going to apply the chalk paint on the drawers. I use a Waverly chalk paint. I got that from Walmart. It's about $7 for a little 8-ounce. I started off with probably not even half of a jar of the 8-ounce, so probably around 3 ounces. And I was able to paint all 6 drawers, and I actually had some left over. So chalk paint goes a long ways. But this is the drawer here that I had to fix the corner. I think it turned out pretty nice. One thing I like to do, on the first drawer, I start on the top. But when you'll see in the next videos that I'll take my brush, and what paint's left on the brush, I'll do my edges first, because it's really easy to forget to do the edges. So I start with the edges first, and then I put the paint on top and cover it. And you can see, you can't even tell where it was chipped off. I think it turned out really nice. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Here's the paint I used, Waverly chalk paint. Like I said, I probably have about 3 ounces. And what I do is I just spread a little bit of the chalk paint on top. And you'll hear me say this a lot. All I'm doing is just trying to get coverage of the paint. So I put it on top. I take my paintbrush and I just cover it all, move it all around. And then when I get it all covered, I'll go back and go left to right or right to left to make my lines straight. So I got even lines on my paint going with the wood grain. I always go with the wood grain on my last passes.
This could be good for me. Lately I was feeling like I need a purpose. But when you talk to me, give me the impression that I won't scratch your surface. And I could walk for days, searching for your praise. But is it even there to find? Chance for me to learn your memories. Will I slowly lose my mind? Will I slowly lose my mind? Will I slowly lose my mind? Will I slowly lose my mind?
Heart gon' speed so God splash on my lady wanna get you 당장 매일 해 답답해 wanna leave cannon 널 dash on your flavor splash on my brain I dash on your flavor came me so bad you're such a slayer splash on my brain I dash on your flavor came me so bad you're such a slayer
dancing on my ass like a move mad rat shit in my shoes pull up to your bed and never lose sip it that we're getting loose see me now, no one can take you off one time, babe, please take that off swerving on the beat, no need to get that car swerving on the beat, no need to get that car I get the cash and I go hard spend all the cash on the fashion ain't gotta talk all the shit at all show this just let everybody talk show this just let everybody talk ooh, swerving with you got me crazy, hold it, I'll keep it on 어젯밤만 네 생각에 잠도 못 일어 yeah. 어젯밤만 내 생각에 뭔가 잘못했어 Just care about it cause 곤란하니까 You make me dizzy 알라 머리 아파 지금도 너 생각해 Yeah yeah Just wanna keep going oh yeah 오늘 내 약속이 oh yeah 있어도 break that shit 아직 갈길 멀어 우리 사이 yeah You're so bulletproof 안기고 싶어 니뽀 지금 앉아 가사 쓰는 중 너 생각에 잠겨 yeah yeah
Crank me so bad 이건 내가 위험해 Don't tell my friends Check you I'm gon' dash Crank me so bad 이건 내가 위험해 Don't tell my friends Check you I'm gon' dash Wanna get you right now Need to take me like bomb Heart gon' speed so God splash on my lady Wanna get you 당장 매일 해 답답해 Wanna leave cannon 널 dash on your flavor splash on my brain I dash on your flavor came me so bad you're such a slayer splash on my brain I dash on your flavor came me so bad you're such a slayer
Let's get down for some soju I take a shot, it's not you I don't want to live without you There's the feeling that is not new I wanna chill, I wanna go, wanna enjoy I wanna watch anything with me and just you 전화에 데리러 갈게 Hit me or 기분 별로일 때 Lift you up 너 어디든 간에 달려와 나한테 안겨서 보고 싶었다는 말 한마디면 녹아버리네 Like a snowflake 꿈만 같아 같이 있자 Was us so swell Lucky to be with you We will always pass through the blue
Wanna get you right now Need to take me like bomb Heart gon' speed so God splash on my lady Wanna get you 당장 매일 해 답답해 Wanna leave cannon 널 dash on your flavor splash on my brain I dash on your flavor came me so bad you're such a slayer splash on my brain I dash on your flavor came me so bad you're such a slayer
Thank you for watching the video. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And the next video, part 3, we'll be doing the cabinet paint. Thank you.